If you love learning, you shall be learned. Good morning, everybody. This is Naval in front of you with another story. The story name is Ravana's End. One fateful evening, when the Ravana and Rama's battle was going on in the battlefield of Ram and Ravana, it was not a it was neither a day or night. It was an evening and the sun had already set. Ravana knew that my end is going to come. The sun illumination illuminates the battlefield of Ram and Ravana. So what so so Rama had uh, uh, pulled his arrow and pushed it to the Ravana's head. What he did, he just left the arrow and the arrow reached to the Ravana to his end. So what? And the Ravana was collapsed in the agony. And Ravana knew that it is his end. And Ram also knew that Ravana has been collapsed and he was joyed with his victorious. So the first thought came into his mind. What would you think that first thought came into his mind? The first thought, do you think that the first thought would be that the Ravana has collapsed and now I will be united with my beloved wife Sita? And the second would be that my vanvas, my exile would be finished and I'll happily return from this exile to my kingdom. No, this thought was not came into his mind. The thought came into his mind that why Ravana was the topmost king in the world, how he built his kingdom so nicely that everybody was afraid from him. So he would excited to ask this question to Ravana, but he did not go to the Ravana to ask this question. He shared his thought with his brother Lakshmana and asked him to go to Ravana to ask this question, that how did he run his kingdom very well. So Lakshmana went to Ravana and asked, how did you run your kingdom so nicely that everybody was happy with your ruling? The Ravana did not say anything and he said that if Ram wants to ask me this question, that how did I succeed in to ruling this kingdom, so he need to come to me and ask this question personally. So the Lakshmana went again to the Rama and said the same thing what the Ravana did say to Lakshmana. Rama came to Ravana, bowed down on his feet, joined his hand and asked the same question, that how did you succeed in his kingdom to build a successful empire? He told that, Rama, you are doing so well in his life that there is no need to learn anything apart from what you are doing right now. So you are very curious to learn the things. So your learnings will not be collapsed or your learning will not be stopped until you are curious to know the things. If you are eager to know the things, then nobody can stop you to learning the things. So by this story we can learn that if we know something or we want to learn something, then we would learn new things in our life. So this was a story from this Ravana's end epitome. Thank you.